Hello everyone, I just want to show you the new box I picked for my server. So I'm building an EPYC server. I'm not quite sure why I went for a PC box, a PC case should I say, but I went for the Fractal North, which I think is very beautiful. I have to admit, I initially bought the XL model in black. I would rather have the black one, but I ended up picking the smaller one, which was only available in white. But the white is very nice as well, so I seems to have an issue there. We're gonna look in a minute, but I think the build inside for like protecting against humidity and stuff just break, and they seems to be everywhere across the PC. I mean the case. Anyway, we're gonna have a look. Anyway, let's unpack this and have a look inside this case. So just this plastic there, and I can see a lot of build everywhere, so that's great. Anyway, so it's very nice build. I can see it's very nicely made. You have the wood on the front, you have this accessory that come with a box, so that would be for the extra fan you can put near the GPU if you have one, or by the CPU. Obviously it will limit a bit of the size and the depth of the case. On the front you have some USB-C and USB-A, and at the back you have again bibble everywhere, but it's fine. It's gonna be a challenge to get rid of this. The good people from Arctic sent me some P14 Max, so I'm gonna probably remove these two fans there and use the Arctic ones instead. You have all the connecting air to put on the motherboard, so you can access the front panel for USB-C, USB-A, and audio. So again, a very beautiful case, which I'm gonna use for my EPYC server. I'm not sure why I use a PC case, but whatever. And this case, I'm gonna replace it as well. Anyway, see you soon for a new video.